Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq-100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half. Let's recap last week's action on a 5-day chart of the Nasdaq-100 as the index closed higher by nearly 2%, extending its win streak to 4 weeks. In fact, the Nasdaq-100 touched a new all-time high on Friday, getting a big boost from earnings as well as positive trade rhetoric between the U.S. and China, with reports that Washington was close to finalizing parts of a trade pact. Now, turning to the trading week ahead as we kick it up with another notch, with more than 800 companies reporting quarterly results. Added to that frenetic pace of reports, the Federal Reserve's October monetary policy meeting and rate decision that happens October 30th through the 31st. And by week's end, the start of October economic data will be had. We have Apple and Facebook also set to report in the week. Now, Walgreens Boots Alliance, they reported before the open, posting higher sales in its latest quarter, helped by an increase in retail pharmacy sales in the U.S. There's also a number of Nasdaq 100 earnings reports coming out after the close day, including Alphabet, NXPI, and T-Mobile. And just like with Amazon and Microsoft, Google's cloud division will be in focus. Morgan Stanley analysts, they're optimistic about Google Cloud Platform and Stadia over the next 12 months and the potential to show Alphabet's ability to build a new business revenue stream. UBS also has a similar take, saying Google's cloud computing division appears to be building momentum as investments in management, sales talent, product innovation, pricing all seem to be driving a very solid operating dynamic. Now, finally, speaking of cloud, shares of Microsoft opened higher today following the news it scored a major cloud victory against Amazon Web Services by winning the $10 billion Pentagon contract for cloud computing services. From the Nasdaq market site in New York City, I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.